Hey guys, today I will be ranking every ride at Animal Kingdom. At number 7 is TriceraTop Spin. This ride is a classic spinning ride. It's just like the Dumbo ride at Magic Kingdom, but instead it's dinosaurs. I don't think there's anything too special about it, so that's why I put it in last place. Number 6, Navi River Journey. I'm sad I had to put this at number 6 because it's a very beautiful ride. It has a bunch of glowing plants and exotic creatures. Number 5, Kilimanjaro Safaris. I love this ride because you get to see a bunch of living animals like elephants, lions, giraffes, zebras, hippos, rhinos, cheetahs, crocodiles, and many more. Each vehicle is driven by a guide who provides informative and entertaining commentary throughout the journey. Number 4, Kali River Rapids. I put this above Kilimanjaro Safaris because this is a water ride and I love water rides. I love how you get wet on this ride and I love the drops. Before we get into the top 3, please like and subscribe. In third place is DINOSAUR. I love this ride because it's a thrilling dark ride with drops and sharp turns. There are also dinosaur animatronics that look very realistic. I also just love the theme. In second place is Avatar Flight of Passage. This ride is in second place because it feels like you're flying over Pandora. It's very thrilling. It has dips, dives, and glides through the lush landscape of Pandora. It also has 3D visuals to bring the world of Pandora to life, featuring floating mountains, rushing waterfalls, and a variety of exotic creatures. In first place is Expedition Everest. This is my favorite ride in Animal Kingdom because I just love everything about it. The theme is very cool, and I love how the track is broken, so you go backwards. I also love how the ride includes dark tunnels and caves. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one.